Welcome to this course on General Data Protection Regulations in the EU and how these apply to medical device clinical investigations. During this course, you will first learn the basic terminology and understand what privacy by design means. In a nutshell, GDPR is a regulation and therefore uniformly applicable throughout all EU member states. Complying with GDPR should prevent security breaches by unintentional loss of data by any player that holds or processes the personal identifiable information PII. It applies to any organization, whether it offers goods or services or monitors the behavior of EU citizens. Note that we are talking about EU citizens only. The penalty, if one fails to comply, can be extremely high. We will see this further in the course. The EU GDPR is fully in force since May 2018. Let's look at what we mean by personal identifiable data. It is any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person, also called the data subject. The regulation defines identifiable as being directly or indirectly, whether by name, identification number, location data, online identifier, or to one or more factors specific to physical, physiological, genetic, mental, economic, cultural, or social identity of the natural person. So far, we can see that several components of this definition bring the clinical investigation activities under the GDPR application. GDPR goes one step further for sensitive data, meaning information about racial or ethnic origin, political opinion or affiliation, religious or political beliefs, genetic or biometric data or health-related information, or sex life or information about sexual orientation. Here again, as in clinical research, we are handling at a minimum health data of the patients, meaning sensitive data. Our activities clearly fall under the application of the GDPR.